Hey guys, in today's video of VinylCut, we'll be looking at the bulge effect. Just have a quick intro here. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We've got a variety of different softwares we do cover and we upload videos daily. So just keep an eye there for any new content. Otherwise, back in the program here. Now, to locate the bulge effect, first make sure your text is selected or shape. Then we're going to go on top here to effects. And then we navigate down to bulge. We select that. We'll have a pop-up menu up here. Now we've got a few different settings we can set here. So let's look at first the for the top and bottom. Now we've got three options here: separately, together, and opposite. So let's first look at separately. So now separately we've got the top offset, bottom offset, top curve, and bottom curve. So if we adjust the top, now keep in mind with the offsets, they can go to the negative and positive. So if we adjust the top, you can see here the top is kind of bulging out at the moment. Then you can individually take this one either to the negative to bring it up or to the positive to bring it down. So let's just leave this at 0 for now. And then the curve, this will be how sharp this curve becomes. So you can make quite sharp all the way to 100, but keep in mind this one cannot go to the negative. So 0 will be full roundness and 100 the full sharpness. Now if we go to together, now as you can see we can no longer edit this one, they've grayed it out. So now as we adjust this, the bottom will also adjust, but kind of in the same direction. Same way you can still apply sharpness, but for now we'll leave it alone because you guys know what it does by now. In any case, so then let's go back to 0, and then what you get is opposite. So now opposite, if we adjust this, then as you can see it will take it in the opposite direction to what you are setting it to. You pull it in or adjust it out. Then let's go to the bottom, then left and right, same difference. So I'm just going to put an opposite just so you can see the effect. We adjust this, bulges it out to the right or brings it in. And then so just a quick recap. So separately you can adjust the value separately. Together it will go in the same direction that you're adjusting it in, both sides. And then opposite will like it says, go in the opposite directions. And then yeah, then you just click OK when you're finally ready, and it will apply those changes for you. And then just a reminder, if it was text, it will no longer be able to be edited with the text tool. Otherwise, yeah, that's the basics on the tool. Let's just quickly go to website. If you guys navigate to VinylCut.co.za, the program is freely available here. Just head to the downloads. Find it there for Windows and Mac currently. And then also if you go to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys can find this video and more like it, like I mentioned. You can also isolate your search here if you're looking for anything specific, or if you don't find what you're looking for, just request the training video here. Then we'll make it for you. Otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.